Today I'm going to show you to see if a number is prime or not. So there are basically 3 steps to do that. Find the square just greater than the number, list the prime numbers, check the divisibility. So if you do all these 3 steps, you can find out if the number is prime or not. Here you can see that I have listed the prime numbers, a few prime numbers on the top, and a few squares of numbers in the side for us to refer while doing the problem. Now let's start doing a problem. Let's start with a small number. So I'll start with 83. So in the previous clip, I told you that the first thing what we have to do when we get a problem is to find a square which is just greater than the number. So I can see that 9 square is 81 and 10 square is 100. 9 square is too small. 81 is lesser than 83. So I have to go with 10 square, that's 100. So 10 square is equal to 100. Now we just forget about this 100. The only thing which we care about is this 10. Because now we have to find out the prime numbers which are lesser than 10. And you can see that I listed a few prime numbers over here. And just write it down. So the numbers are 2, 5, 3, sorry, I forgot the 3, 7. Now the third step is finding the divisibility. I have to check if 83 is divisible by all of these numbers. If it is not divisible by any of these, then that means it is a prime number. And if it is divisible by any of these numbers, then it means it's not a prime number. So let's see. 83 is not divisible by 2. 83 is not divisible by 5. I find out if it's divisible by using the divisibility test. If you want to know more about it, I'll make a separate video on that. And 83 is not divisible by 3. 83 is not divisible by 7 either. So now I can tell that this number is prime. We look at another example, that's 153. We can see that 12 square is 144, which is lesser than 153. So we'll go for the next number, that is 13. So 13 square is 169, which is just greater than 153. Now we'll see all the prime numbers which are lesser than 13, excuse me. So they are 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. Now I can see that 153 is not divisible by 2, but 153 is divisible by 3. So I can say that 153 is not a prime number. The last example is 211. So a square which is just greater than 211 is 15 square, that is 225, and the prime numbers below 15 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. And we'll check the divisibility now. It is not divisible by 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 4. 4 is not divisible by 3. It's not divisible by 5. I checked and it's not divisible by 7. And it's not divisible by 11. Nor is it divisible by 13. So we can say that 211 is a prime number.